Greetings to all. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about breakfast services. I take immense pride in delivering this topic. Myself, Ashokkumar, Associate Professor, Department of Catering Science and Hotel Management, PhD College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Learning objectives. After reading this chapter, you will be able to gain knowledge on various types of breakfasts and their menus, compile continental, English, American, Indian breakfast menus, prepare restaurant for service of various types of breakfast, set up breakfast buffet. Here, let us see some common dishes served during breakfast in the European region. The first one is fruits. We have fresh fruits, juices, canned fruit juices. Then we have stewed fruits, fruit comfort, fresh fruit juices, traditionally made out of citrus fruits. Sometimes pineapple and grapefruits are also offered. Stewed fruits cooked slowly in a small amount of liquid, like apples, prunes, figs, apricots are used to prepare stewed fruits. Fruit comfort, which is made out of whole or pieces of fruit in a sugar syrup. Whole fruits are cooked in water with sugar and spices. Next is breakfast cereals. We have cornflakes, we have wheat flakes, we have oats and muesli, then finally porridge. Cornflakes is a breakfast cereal made by toasting flakes of corn. Wheat flakes are made out of whole wheat with bran containing 100% of dietary allowances. Oats are made from steamed whole oats that are rolled out to flatten. Muesli is a cold oatmeal dish based on rolled oats and ingredients like grains, nuts, seeds and fresh or dried fruits. Porridge is a food commonly eaten as a breakfast cereal dish made by boiling ground, crushed or chopped starchy plants, typically grind in water or milk. Next is egg. We serve omelette, fried eggs, poached eggs, scrambled eggs, boiled eggs. Omelettes made from beaten egg fried with butter or oil in a frying pan. It is quite common for the omelette to be folded around fillings such as cheese, chives, vegetables, mushrooms, meat or some combination of the above. Fried egg. A fried egg is a cooked dish made from one or more eggs which are removed from their cells and placed into a pan, usually without breaking the yolk. Fried egg has various classifications like sunny side up, bullseye. Poached egg is an egg that has been cooked outside the cell by poaching as opposed to simmering or boiling liquid. Scrambled egg, which is a dish made from eggs stirred or beaten together in a pan while being gently heated, typically with salt, butter and sometimes other ingredients are also added. Boiled eggs are eggs typically from a chicken cooked with their cells unbroken, usually by immersion in a boiling water. Next one is fish. We have smoked kipper, we have smoked blotters, we have smoked haddock, we have grilled herring, we have fried fish. Kippers is a whole herring, a small oily fish that has been split in a butterfly fashion from tail to head along the dorsal ridge, gutted, salted or pickled and cold smoked over smoldering wood chips. Cold smoked bloaters are type of whole cold smoked herring. Bloaters are salted and lightly smoked without gutting, giving a characteristic slightly gamely flavor and are particularly associated with Great Yarmouth, England. Haddock. Haddock is a saltwater fish. It is found in the North Atlantic Ocean and associated seas in the northern Europe. It is marketed fresh, frozen and smoked. Fried fish refers to any fish or shellfish that has been prepared by frying. Often the fish is covered in a batter, egg and breadcrumbs flour or herbs and spices before being fried and served, often with a slice of lemon. Grilled herring are a frog fish, mostly belonging to the family Clopid. Herring often move in large schools around fishing banks and near the coast. Next dish we offer meat, ham, sausages, bacon, salami and liver. Ham is a pork from a leg cut and has been preserved by wet or dry curing with or without smoking. Sausages was a meat product usually made from ground meat, often pork, beef or poultry, along with salt, spices and other flavorings. Bacon is a type of salt cured pork. Bacon is prepared from several different cuts of meat, typically from the pork belly or from back cuts which have less fat than the belly. Salami is a type of cured sausage consisting of fermented and air-dried meat, typically pork. Liver and chutney. Bread. Next, we have bread rolls, we have muffins, we have croissant, we have Danish pastry, bread toasts, then we have plain bread being offered during the breakfast service. Bread rolls. A roll is a small, usually round or oblong individual loaf of bread served as a meal accompaniment. Muffin is a part raised flat bread that is baked and then cooked on a griddle, and a cupcake like quick bread that is chemically leavened and then baked in a mold. Croissant is a buttery, flaky, Viennese pastry of Austrian region named for its historical crescent shape. Danish pastry is a multi-layered laminated sweet pastry in the Viennese tradition. Bread toast, plain breads. Followed by the bread, generally we offer preserves like jam, marmalade, honey. Jam is a fruit combination of fruits or vegetables that have been prepared and canned for a long-term storage. Marmalade is a fruit preserve made from the juice and peel of citrus fruits boiled with sugar and water. Honey is a sweet viscose food substance made from bees and some related insects. Butter also been offered along with the bread, like butter curls, butter cubes, then slices of butter. Butter is a dairy product with high butter fat content, which is solid when chilled and at room temperature in some regions and liquid when warmed. There are some specific dishes which is offered in American region along with the dishes which we have discussed earlier, like pancakes, waffles are special and unique breakfast dishes which is served in American breakfasts along with the above discussed dishes. Pancakes is a flat cake, often thin and round, prepared from a starch-based batter that may contain eggs, milk and butter, cooked on a hot surface such as griddle or frying pan, often frying with oil or butter. Waffles is a dish made from leavened batter or dough that is cooked between two plates or patterned to give a characteristic size, shape and surface impression. There are many variations based on the type of waffle, iron and recipe used. In India, we have a specific and specialized dishes being offered in south, north, east and west regions. We are taking north and south as an important region for the breakfast service. In North India, we preferably serve aloo paratha, chapati, buri bhaji, chole bhatura, poha, kachori, pav bhaji, moong dal chila. In South India, we offer idli vada, dosa varieties, pongal, kichadi, appam, upma, puttu, pesaratu, idiyappam. Followed by the above dishes, we preferably serve beverages as an end of meal. We generally offer coffee, tea, hot chocolate, then tisanes along with the dishes which we discussed earlier. Thank you. You have come across various dishes which is offered during breakfast. In the next chapter, let us discuss about breakfast menu and cover laying.